Hey guys, I'm Charlie.
James.
I'm Brandon.
So what we have here is our initial prototype, a kind of miniature mock-up. We have 4 distance sensors, one for left and right, and front and back. Front and back respond to an LED screen, or an RGB screen. They give you a distance reading from how far you are from something in centimeters front to back. The left and right ones go off of a light instead, off of an RGB LED. The idea is to get a reading when you're pulling forward or backing out on your distance, and to have a blind spot detection on your left and right. That's our kind of our initial prototype setup.
And our code is pretty simple. This first bit is just initializing everything, making our variables, setting our sensors to the right pins, and then it really starts here where this is for the LCD screen. It will print the front and rear distance. It's right down here. It'll print the front distance, and that's acquired right here. And then for the RGB, it's a simple if statement that says if the distance on the left or the distance on the right is less than 20 centimeters, we're gonna make it red. Otherwise, we're gonna make it green.
Alright, so we got a few things we're going to add to the design because this is just our initial prototype. The biggest one being that we're going to separate these sensors via wireless transceivers. So they're going to be physically split up into some 3D printed housing, and we're going to be able to mount that onto a car. Then it'll take those distance readings, it'll transmit to like our main unit, which will be 2 LCD screens. One will kind of be the same as we have right now, and it'll read forward and rear distance, and then we'll have another one that'll be giving you directions on how to park the car. So that'll just be taking the data that we're getting from our sensors, and we'll have code that kind of walks you through if you should go forward, if you should reverse, and by how much, when to turn, and whatnot. Additionally, we're going to have a few lights. We're going to have this RGB light. We'll have 2 on the right and left, and that'll fade with your forwards and your rear distance, and then once you reach a certain threshold that is deemed within the acceptable range to park your car, the light will turn green. Also, we're going to have lights for your blind spot detectors on your left and right, and that'll just be like a toggle on and off, or between red and green, whatever color we decide on, let you know something's in the way there. So all of that's contained within a little unit that'll be mounted by your dashboard, and you'll be able to read out and visually see with the lights from your sensors. Yeah, so that's what we're planning on doing. We might also add in a buzzer with that, kind of give an auditory signal if you're getting close to something. Yeah, thanks for watching.